everybody. I'm so excited to show you a little glimpse into my home at Christmas time. So come along with me and let me show you around. As you enter the front door of our house, I have this table here with a rose gold 3-foot Christmas tree. And I got that from Walmart last year. And I have it decorated with blue and green ornaments, just bulb ornaments. And I have some navy blue picks in there. And the reason I did these colors is because of this angel right here. This is an angel that I got after my mom passed away. It was one of her Christmas decorations, so I got it. And then down here is just some fun Christmas decorations. I like this. That's cute. And then this angel, and then I have one on the other side, is also one of my mom's that I got after she passed away. So this is the entrance from our front door. Okay, as you come down the entrance hallway, you enter into our den, our living space. And this is what it looks like. We like to decorate with traditional Christmas colors. And I think the whites and the neutrals, I think they're so pretty, but we just, I don't know, we just always tend to like the traditional colors. So I'll show you first the shelf. And I wanted to mention my nativity scene. 28 years ago, my husband and I got married, and I had a party, a Christmas Around the World party, and I think it was by Home Interiors. I think it was like a subsidiary of Home Interiors, and yeah, so we were able to get a lot of our Christmas decorations our first year of marriage from that party, and this was one of the main things we got. And so 28 years later, it is still holding on strong. And then this is the rest of the shelf area. All right, these two red and white pillows are pillow covers that I ordered from Amazon, and they go along with two other pillows that are in this den area, but they're red and white, and I'll show you those in a few minutes. But like I said, they are from Amazon, and I will put a link in the description box below. And so now let's move on to my tree. As I said earlier, we do like traditional colors. And I don't really have, one type of ornament that I use. I just kind of put on here what I like. Some of these ornaments, like the feather ones, this chandelier, this violin, those were things that also came from my mom. And so that is my Christmas tree. Here's the mantle. I just have, that's actually 6 picks that I got from Hobby Lobby, and instead of stringing garland across the mantle, I just put these 6 picks together and added these little clip springy things and 3 ornaments in the middle. And then I added some fairy lights, and I like the way that looks. And I didn't have to worry about, you know, hanging anything from my mantle. And I love the little Santa that I got from Hobby Lobby, as well as the letters for Santa mailbox that I got from Target. And I actually did a shopping haul video that I will link below as well. This is this side of the mantle. And I keep this lantern up there all year long, but at Christmas I put this little tree in there with the fairy lights. And then here's my blanket ladder. And this is this corner. These are 18 by 18 pillow covers. And they're pretty snug, but they do fit. If you don't like hanging your stockings from the mantle, or if you don't have a fireplace with a mantle, you can get one of these stocking stands, and I got it from Kirkland's. I think it was a couple years ago, and that is what I put my stockings on. And that is a look at our family room den area. Now I want to show you our outdoor patio. We have retractable screens, so they're down right now since it's nighttime. But this is our patio area, and this is the Christmas tree out here. And it is just a red and white decorated tree. And I'll give you a close-up. Some of the ornaments on here, again, were my mom's. So when she passed on, I got them. So I love a red and white tree. Let me know in the comments below if you use traditional colors or if you go with the more neutral theme. On this part of the patio, this is my husband's man cave, so I had to put him a little LSU Christmas tree out here because we are LSU Tiger fans, even though they haven't been really good since we won the championship in 2019, but oh well, that's another story. And then I had some leftover decorations that I just put in this tier tray out here next to the grill. I wanted to turn the lights out here on the patio. I love coming out here and sitting with the lights off and the Christmas tree on. I just think it's just so peaceful. This is our dining area, and I will show you how I have my place settings done. So I have this wooden tray, I guess. I have it up all year, but I pretty much just change the table runners and the way I have the place settings done. But here's a close-up of the place settings. So this rattan charger came from Target. The white charger came from Hobby Lobby. The red plate came from Dollar Tree. These came from Hobby Lobby, and they came in a set of, I think, 3. And then these cute little wreaths I got from Target actually this year. And then in this corner, I set up a 7-foot pre-lit pencil tree. And I have it decorated with black and white buffalo check. And this is the topper. I got that Santa hat from Walmart. From the dining room, we go into the butler pantry, which I have set up as a coffee station slash hot cocoa bar. And I will link the video that I did setting this up down below in the description box. But here I just have my coffee maker with a tiered tray. Some goodies for your hot chocolate. And that is my coffee bar. Left side of the butler pantry is my kitchen, and I don't have too much in here, but I'll go ahead and show you what I do have. So I have these 3 little trees in the windows, and then I have Santa and Mrs. Claus ready to help me cook. And then I have this sign here, and it just takes up some of, because this is kind of a large space, so it does take up some of it. And then again, here are the other set of trees. Over here I have a small little tree next to my KitchenAid mixer. And then these cute little things I got at Dollar General, I want to say maybe two years ago, but they're really cute. And then over here in this corner, I just have this little window pane that I got from Target a couple years ago, along with this H and some of these. Okay, these candy kisses are so good. They're cherry cordial kisses, and it's basically like eating a chocolate covered cherry without the cherry. They're so good. Anyway, and so yeah, that is my kitchen. And again, like I said, I don't really have too much going on in the kitchen, but there it is nonetheless. Okay, this is the master suite, mine and my husband's bedroom, and I will show you the details of this room. these are just a few random spaces around my house where I also have just a few little decorations here and there. Alright guys, that is it. That is a little taste of my house at Christmas time. I love Christmas, it's my favorite time of year, so I love to try to decorate as much as possible. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love it if you would become a part of my YouTube family. And also, don't forget to leave a comment below and click the like button because it does help me out with YouTube. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.